Today is definitely going to be one of those afternoons you can get out and about. Yes, absolutely. Tomorrow, if you have any outdoor plans, I wouldn't cancel them. Just be aware of the latest radar because we are expecting rain to eventually move in. So we have our WFA weather alert day. That is for tomorrow night and into Monday morning because that is when we are expecting the main storm to move through. We're talking about widespread showers and even a few thunderstorms that could be a little heavy at times with gusty wind and lightning. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Isolated higher amounts will be a possibility. So just make sure that you stay updated with the latest forecast, with the latest radar, have a way to receive any warnings that could potentially come out, and make sure to download that WFA Plus app to your TV if you haven't already done so. This is our Weatherford camera. We've got lots of sunshine out there right now. It's a little cool though. We're starting out in the 40s and 50s, so you're going to want to add some layers before you head out, but you won't necessarily need them later on. We're at 56 degrees in Dallas, just 49 in Decatur, 53 in Granbury, 55 in Greenville, 55 degrees right now in Athens. And then satellite and radar is pretty quiet. We've got lots of sun. We've got a few clouds trying to move in from the north and the west. But generally, as we go throughout the day today, we are expecting a lot more sunshine than cloud cover. We're kind of looking at the opposite tomorrow. I'm starting our time cast at noon tomorrow because by then, I think we're certainly dry. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds, but clouds will increase throughout the afternoon. I'm going to stop the clock at 7 o'clock to show you that at that time, it looks like most of the Metroplex would be dry, but we do have some rain moving in from the west and between Bowie, Decatur, Mineral Wells, Granbury down towards Stephenville. Well, that's going to be making its way off to the east. So about 10 o'clock, most of the Metroplex would be seeing some scattered showers during that time, but the heaviest still off to the north and west. By Sunday night into Monday morning, well, the heavier rain will eventually move into the Metroplex. So for your Monday morning commute, it does look pretty wet. So go ahead and give yourself some extra time. There will likely be some delays, and you know how traffic is even on a nice day. So add some rain to it. Well, you know what happens. Now we're getting to noon on Monday. A lot of the rain just off to the east, but still parts of the Metroplex seeing rain during that time. But late in the afternoon and early evening, it looks like most of the rain will move out of here. We will still have some clouds around, but we should be dry during that time. So again, around the Metroplex, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. And honestly, it looks like most of North Texas would see that. But the latest data tries to bring in some of those isolated higher totals just north of the Metroplex. So for today, mostly sunny overall. It's going to be a really nice day. We're going to have light wind. Temperatures will climb into the upper 60s. And then tonight, I think we stay mostly clear. Temperatures drop to about 50 degrees. So it's going to be a cool start to your Sunday. But tomorrow afternoon, temperatures still make it into the upper 60s because I think we're rain free during the day. I think that 40% coverage likely comes in after about 8 or 9 o'clock or so. But during the overnight hours, you've got that 80% coverage. On Monday, up to 90% coverage. Temperatures still make it into the low 70s. The cold front actually comes through sometime early Tuesday morning. During the day, though, we're looking dry. We've got that high of 70 degrees, but we are down into the upper 50s on Wednesday. So the colder air just comes in a little bit more delayed. On Thanksgiving Day, we're looking nice, dry temperatures in the upper 50s. The second half of that 14-day, you see 60s eventually turn into 50s. We have a very unsettled pattern with several days, at least several chances of rain off and on throughout that week. Janelle, back to you.
Well, Cassie, we know you'll stay on top of it.